Hey guys, welcome back for this video tasting of my English brown porter. So it's Saturday evening here, just gone 7 p.m. I've just finished dinner and cleaned up, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to come out into the garage and show you the beer. So it's been in the keg for 12 days now, so I've just poured up a glass. So there it is there, looking quite dark on the camera, almost bordering on black, but there's still some natural light coming through from the door to my left, and it's more of a very dark brown. I can see some dark brown hues, so yeah, definitely more brown than black up in person. And then it's topped off with a nice sort of, don't know if you can see that, creamy, slightly tan head. So yeah, very happy with the appearance. So yeah, this is my take on an English brown porter. So from what I understand, the main difference between a brown porter and a normal porter is that a brown porter, or an English brown porter, is slightly more sweeter and less sort of roastiness in the flavour. Tends to be a little bit drier as well, I believe, through the ingredients. So yeah, English brown porter, the bulk of the malt is Maris Otter, 71.4%. Then we've got light chocolate, 9.5%, brown malt, 9.5%, medium crystal, 4.8%, wheat, 4.8%, bittered with Fuggles to 28 IBUs, fermented with SO4 yeast, started at 1043, finished at 1.010 to give me 4.3%, and 12 days in the keg. So yeah, that's the details on the beer. I'll put all that in the video description. So yeah, this is basically my own recipe put together by looking at other brown porter recipes and then just tweaking it. Probably one of the main differences I've made is I've upped the percentage of the chocolate a little bit, and also the brown malt. So I'm hoping it's going to give more sort of chocolate characters. So anyway, let's not talk about it too long. We'll get a nose on it. Cheers, guys. So as you'd expect with this style of beer, it's all about the malts. Getting some nice sort of, I guess, up front chocolate, maybe some light coffee as well, bit of sweetness, and then like a nutty sort of nuttiness or slight toast probably from the brown malt, and yeah, a little bit of sweetness as well. So really inviting on the nose. So yeah, let's not wait any longer. We'll dive in. So yeah, very nice on the flavour. So yeah, as I explained before, brown porter, so less roastiness, I guess, to it, and that's definitely evident in the flavour. I'm definitely getting some nice like dark chocolate, getting the brown malt character, the nuttiness, sort of dry toast, I guess you could say. And then a little bit of sweetness, but not like super sweet, just a nice little bit of background sweetness. Yeah, toast, dark chocolate, definitely some hints of coffee coming through, but yeah, very, very nice. Happy with how that extra light chocolate malts come through, giving me more chocolate in the flavour. It's quite a, or not quite, a slight dry back end to it, which is good. Bitterness is good. just a moderate sort of bitterness. The wheat's given it a nice mouthfeel, slightly creamy, which is really nice. It's got a lot of flavour. So yeah, even though it's 4.3%, yeah, it's still lots of flavour. Doesn't feel like it's too thin, not too heavy either. So nice sort of good medium body to it. Holding on to that head. A bit of glass lacing as well. So yeah, very, very happy with that. So I guess this is my first, yeah, English brown porter or brown porter. So yeah, just a nice change if you've done porters or stouts and you're looking for something different. And you've maybe done some brown ales and you just want something a little bit different, maybe with a bit more, I guess, malt sort of punch to it. An English brown porter is definitely a style to maybe have a look at. I think that's about it. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. Even though it's meant to be coming into our summer here, I still have a sort of a hankering to still have, you know, some sort of darker style beer, and I've really been enjoying the English style beers over the winter. So and it is relatively easy drinking, even though it is a porter. It's still only 4.3%. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Happy days. You guys take care, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.